So you only need 2 knots to make this clean adjustable paracord bracelet. Let me show you how easy it really is. Okay, so I've got about 2 feet of cord. I've got the halfway point roughly here, and all I'm going to do is get this left hand cord and put it over the right hand cord like that. And this cord here is going to be the working end, okay? That's going to do all the effort. So what we do is get this cord, it's going to wrap over my finger and inside the knot like that. And then we're going to wrap it round my finger 3 more times, and the knot is going to go that way. So 1, it goes up inside the knot. 2, up inside the knot. 3, and comes out like that. Now all we're going to do is take my finger out, and with this same cord I'm going to shove it all the way through those loops like that. Okay. And then we're just going to cinch the knot together. So I'm pulling on this cord here, and I'm pulling on this side of the bracelet, and we're just carefully cinching everything up so that the knot looks good. Okay, now you need to pull it. It needs to kind of be Goldilocks. It doesn't need to be too tight, it doesn't need to be too loose, it needs to be just right. Okay, you want enough friction on the bracelet to slide, but you want it enough to stay in place. Okay, now as you can see, this loop is absolutely huge. So to measure it for my wrist, all I'm going to do is get my watch. This is a Garmin Fenix 7X, the best watch I've ever had. Link in the description down below. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust the bracelet so that it matches roughly the watch. Like that. Perfect. So you got this going on. Now all I'm going to do is measure out about 2 inches from the side of the barrel knot, and I'm going to do an overhand knot. Now this was a viewer request. Somebody asked if I could incorporate a barrel knot into a bracelet. So there you go, that's one side. Overhand knot on the other side. So now I'm just going to measure out about the same length as this overhand knot here. Wrap it around your finger. Poke it through the hole. Is snip and cinch. So I'm just going to don't try to snip and cinch with needle nose pliers, it doesn't work. Let's use this instead. So all I'm going to do is snip there. Burn it in place like that. Do the same on the other side. Push it in. And there you have a nice easy paracord bracelet. The barrel knot is the sliding piece and the overhand knots are the end. So what would you like me to make next? A bracelet? Keyring? Another kind of knot? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.